Hi everyone, welcome back, and today we will learn new concept English Book 1, Lesson 48. Assalamu alaikum savatdaşlar, yaxshimisizlar? Bugun shu 47 darsning davom bo'lgan 48ni o'rganmoqchi. O'xshashdan bu darsda do you like or do you want? Shu ikki jumlani shaklini nihoyatda pishiq mashq qilmoqchi. Andaqda avval shu darsimizda uchraydigan bir necha yangi so'zlar bor ekan. Shu yangi so'zlarni o'rganib chiqaylik. Birinchisi fresh. Okay, fresh. Ana fresh deganda lafz qilganda ma beshirga ustan kishimizlar asan qilib nazarda ishlaymiz. Fresh. Okay, fresh. Good. You know, fresh, what is that? It's a fresh air. Okay, fresh air. And bu nima desanglar sap havo. Mesela shu tushdan burun qava qanday bo'ladi, intayin sap bo'ldi shunami? Shuni deymiz fresh air, right? Fresh air. Okay. You know, we have fresh air in the morning, right? Odatda biz aytganda nima bor? Nihoyatda sap havo bor. Shunami? We have fresh air in the morning. Bizning aytganda nima bor desanglar, sap havo bor. Sap havo. Onun için andan yana başka narsalar fresh deganimiz sap yangi degan gap. Masalan, meyvechi bilan sayko'ktatlarga shu yangidan uzilgan, yangilam chiqqan, yangisini deymiz fresh deymiz. Masalan, fresh apples, shunday yangi olmalar, fresh bananas deganda. Masalan, you can buy fresh fruit in the market. Siz bozordan yangi meyvechi bilanni sotib ola olasiz. Okay, bu yerga fresh fruit deganimiz nima desanlar, yangi meyvechilar. Hamda yangi sayko'ktat deganini deymiz desanlar, fresh vegetables. You know, fresh vegetables. Okay, fresh vegetables. And skana qaranglar, you know, they are running in the fresh air. Okay, ular sap havada qanday qilyapti, yuguryapti. Okay, they are running in the fresh air. Demak, hamda fresh deganimiz yangi sap degan gap, fresh air. Okay, next one is egg. Okay, egg. Egg. Bu egg deganimiz nima ekan? Tuxum. Tuxumni nima deymiz? Sana egg deymiz. Masalan, fresh egg. Yangi tuxum. Degan tuxum deganda yangilan tuqqan tuxumni nima deymiz? A fresh egg. Okay, hamda ma bir nechta yangi tuxumlar bo'lsa, some fresh eggs. Okay, some fresh eggs. Okay, from fresh eggs. You know, I want some fresh eggs. Manga yangi tuxum nima lazım. Misharga lazım deganda want. I want. Okay, you want. Do you want? Okay. And the boil an egg bo'lsa nima tuxum pishirmoq. Yoki boil the eggs, yoki boil an egg. Tuxum pishirmoq. Ma boil degan qaynatmoq-ku hamda. Mesela she is boiling an egg, and o tuxum pishiryapti. Yoki she is boiling eggs. Yoki birlik shaklini olamiz, yoki ko'plik shaklini olamiz. Chunki ma egg degan nima? Sarg'ini bo'ldirasizim. Boil an egg. Okay, next one is butter. Okay, butter. What is the butter? Okay, resim qaranglar. Bu butter masalan bolkani ustiga surib bergan sarmay shunami? Sarmay degan nima? Butter deymiz, butter. Butter. So, do you have any butter? Sizda yoki sizlarda sarmay bormi? Hamda masalan do'konning ichiga kirib, hamda do'kondan so'raganda sizlarda ma'nosi bormi deb so'raymiz. Shunami? Do you have any butter? Do you have any butter? Okay. I like to have a butter cake. Okay, hamda meningki nima ish qilgan bor? Ama shu sarmay so'kilgan cake tort yegan bor. Yoki a butter bread. Okay, butter bread. Butter cake. Okay, next one is honey. Okay, what is honey? You know, honey, saptava. Bu nima desanglar, asal shunami? Asal. Mushu asal nima deymiz? Desanglar, honey deymiz. Hamda sap asal bo'lsa, pure honey. Okay, pure honey. Demak, hech qanday saqtlik qatmagan sap bo'lsa nima? Pure honey. So, do you like honey? Siz nimaga murakmi? Asalga murakmi? Endi bu asal qanday qilgan olmaydi desanglar, sarg'ini bo'lmaydi. sanıgını bombaydı. Sanıgını bombaydı. Şuna ne mi Do you like honey? deyimiz. So where can I buy pure honey? Okay. Demek ki nereden hem de sap esel setip alalayım. Where can I buy pure honey? Okay, hem de nereden setip alalayısla? In the supermarket. Supermarket degen nima? Sağda talla bazarı şuna ama. Ara talla bazarı sap esel var mı? Hayt az Okay. Where can you buy in dairies? Mesela süt mahsulotları dükkanda setip alalansa? Belki bir yer buluşu mümkün şuna ama mesela süt satırgan yoki shu asal bee baqadigan asal zavodlar bor factory bo'lamdi yoki some beer house bo'lamdi degandekchi bee degandek shu yerda qanday desanlar sapasanlar bo'ldi. So I want some honey. What about you? Hamda menga azroq nima asal lozim. Sizga-chi? Okay. Honey. Bu money bilan o'xshab qoldi ekan, o'qilishi. Honey, money. Ba'zidan no money, no honey deydigancha. Voy, pul olmasa asal bo'lmaydi. Endi men honeydan yana bir eg'iz tildagi ko'chmanlik ishiltilishini bersanlar, chet elliklar o'zi yoqtirdigan odamni honey deb chaqiradi. Jinim, aslim degan gap. Masalan, qiz yigitlar honey deb shunami? Yoki ota-onalar, masalan, urug'-tuqqanlar honey, suyumligim, amriqim, aslim degan gapcha endi bu. Honey. Okay. Next one is jam. Okay, jam. All right, jam deganimiz nima desanlar? Murabba. Qaranglar, har xil murabbalar bor ekan. Okay, har xil murabbalar bor ekan. Masalan, potato jam, tomato jam deb har xil nima bor? Shuningdek, murabbasi. Potato jam degan yangi murabbasi, tomato jam bo'lsa, sho'xli murabbasi. Apple jam, alma murabbasi. Shunami? Strawberry jam. Okay, strawberry rasmni ko'rinib turibdi, bo'ljurgan. Shunami? Orange jam. Okay. Shu apelsin murabbasi. Okay, next one ripe. Okay, ripe. Masalan, a ripe banana, pishqan banan. Shunami? A ripe apple, pishqan olma. Okay. Ripe tomatoes, pishqan nimalar? Sho'xlilar. Demak, endi ripe deganimiz nima desanlar? Pishqan. Endi bu adamning pishqaniga shiltam desa, yo'q. Adamning pishqanini mature deymiz, Mature. Okay, are you mature? M-A-T-U-R-E. Mature. Okay, mature. Next one, sweet. Okay, sweet. Sweet deganimiz nima desanlar? Tatliq. Masalan, this fruit is really sweet. This fruit is really sweet. You know, I like something sweet. I remember tatliq narsaga amroq. You know, I like something sweet. Men tatliqroq bo'lgan bir narsa qanarsanlar, bo'z bo'ldi, amroq degan gap bo'ldi. Sweet. Masalan, she has a sweet smile. And majo, uninki tatliq bir kulgisi bor. Tatliq degan nima sweet. Masalan, yana sweet melon. Sweet melon degan nima bo'lganini savolashlar, bu tavuz deymi? Qog'unni arada sweet melon deymiz. Sweet melon. Arada sweet degan tatliq degan gap. Okay, sweet melon. And the watermelon bo'lsa, shu watermelon, tavuz. All right, next one is Scotch whiskey. And the Scotch deganimiz Shotlandiya degan gap savollar. Shotlandiyaning masalan, Scotland deb Angliya millatda 4 davlatning birlashmasi. England, Scotland, Ireland, Wales debchi. Hamda bu England, shu Scotland degan Shotlandiya. And Scotch degan shu Shotlandiyaning. Whiskey deganimiz nima? Aroqning bir turi. Aroq. So do you like whiskey? Siz whiskeyga amroqmi? Yes, I do. I like Scotch whiskey. Amroq. Men nimaga amroq deydi? O'sha Scotch whiskeyga amroq deydi. Shotlandiyaning ismi nimasiga? Whiskeysi. Beer. Okay, beer degan shu desanlar pivo. Masalan, bir botolka pivo degani a bottle of beer. And the bir botolka whiskey degani a bottle of whiskey. So have some beer please. And azroq pivo iching, shunami? Have some beer please. Okay, hamda ma'ni nima ekan? A wine. Okay, wine. Bu üzüm araqini ko'rsatadi, wine. So I like to drink wine. Okay, meniki nima ishkim bor? Üzüm araq ishkim bor. Yoki meva araqlarini arab tilida deymiz, wine deymiz. So do you want a bottle of wine? Sizga bir botilka üzüm araqi lozimmi? So do you want? Okay, lazimmi? Shunaqa? So where can I get some beer? Okay, where can I get some beer? Men nadan mushu pivuset ola olayman degandek wine. Onun nisbatan nima winening yana bir ma'nosi barang deb ma'nosi bor. Ma'lum o'zimning barang bor bo'lsa savodashlar. Shuni wine deymiz. Next one is choice. Okay, choice. Choice. Bu tanlangan, xillangan, sarxil degan gap ham. They are choice apples. Ular bo'lsa nima? Xillangan olmalar yoki tanlangan olmalar yoki ali. You know, I want to buy some choice apples. Shunami? I want some choice grapes. Hamda boshqanisi nima? Grapes. Okay, bu nima? Uzum degan gap bo'ldi. Xo'sh, hamza ma'nim bo'ldi. Blackboard. Hamda sinfning oldidagi qora doska. Mushunning nerkamiz balla blackboard. Blackboard. Bu blackboard deganimiz hamda shu qardoska. Odatda hamda hozir bosh bor bilan yozg'ash tugab marker bilan yozdi. Hamda bu nima deymiz? Whiteboard. Whiteboard. Masalan, I must clean the blackboard. Men bu doskani qanday qilishim kerak? Surtishim kerak. You know, teacher is standing in front of the blackboard. Muallim shu doskaning oldida qanday qotadi? Turib o'tadi. In front of nang oldida. Xo'sh, hamma kitobning 96-betdagi men mashq qaranglar. Buningga shu narsani to'shqizganmiz. Masalan, off degan ayrilmoq, over degan birisining ustidan shunami, biz tegishib qolmagan. Between ishkinasining orasidan, in front of nang oldida, behind, keyinida, under, ostida, across degancha kesib o'tadi. Hamma qaranglar, the airplane is flying the village. Okay. Ana bu shu villagening ichidan o'tamiz. Yo'q, ust tarafdan bunda uchib o'tamiz. Ust tarafdan shunami? Flying over the village. Okay, mashining ustidan uchib o'tadi. Masalan, the ship is going the bridge. And the ko'rikning ostidan o'tadi shunami? And the osti degan nima dedik? Under. Okay, the ship is going under the bridge. And children are swimming the river. And bu daryoni qanday qilib o'tdi? Maqirg'oqdan, yana maqirg'oqqa manda o'tgan bo'lsa, bu kesib o'tgan bo'ladi. Shunami? Kesib o'tgan bo'ladi. Shu kesib o'tishni across deymiz. Shunami? The children are swimming across the river. Okay, across the river. And what about, you know, two cats are running along the wall. And the mushu along degan bo'ylab shunami? Tamni bo'ylab qanday qotadi? Yugurayotadi. Two cats are running along the wall. You know, the boy is jumping off the branch. A branch deganimiz daraxtning shixi. Daraxtning shixini qanday qotadi? Sakrab tushadi. The girl is sitting, her mother and father. Dadasi bilan opasining orasida o'tirib qanday qo'yibdi? O'tirib o'tibdi. You know, sitting between her mother and her father. You know, the teacher is standing the blackboard, in front of the blackboard. You know, teacher is standing in front of the blackboard. You know, blackboard is behind the teacher. And bu doska muallimning nimasi keyinida. Behind. Okay, I'm qaranglar, yana bir biga. So do you like honey? Ma'lum misalda, yes, I do. I like honey, but I don't want any. Men esilga o'raq, lekin menga lozim emas. Tushundingmi? Masalan, does he like honey? U esilga amroqmi? Desa, u amroq. Yes, he does. He likes honey, but he doesn't want any. Okay, hamda mana bu ekranga sal xato yozib qolibdi, savodashlar. He likes asqatimiz jumlaga. He likes honey, but he doesn't want any. So, do you like bananas? Bananas. Yes, I do. I like bananas, But I don't want one. Lekin mening birasine qadaqim yo'q, ag'im yo'q, yegim yo'q. Ag'im yo'q, shunaqa. So do you like coffee? Yes, I do. I like coffee, but I don't want one. Well, I don't want any. Meningki men lazım emas. Endi bu sanıgını bo'lmaydiganqa any'ni, sanıgını bo'lganqa one ishlasak bo'ldi. It's like, do you like biscuits? Yes, I do. I like biscuits, but I don't want one. Biscuits sanıgını bo'lib pecheni beradi, shunaqa. So do you like ice cream? Yes, I do. I like ice cream, but I don't want any. Lekin meningki nima qilgim yo'q, yegim yo'q degandek. Okay, hamsa abigellik dasmi mushagichi bo'lsin. Topshiriqmi shu. Mashqni ait astoydil o'zingizlar bir qo'l bilan kitobni bir ishlab baqsanglar, xatosini ekran qarab tuzatsangiz bo'ldi. Bo'ldi. That's all for today and see you next time. Goodbye.